All right, good morning, everybody. This is a tutorial on how to buy KindCat token using our KindWealth Engine platform. So the KindWealth Engine is our staking platform. That's our staking V2 platform. We were formerly at the V1, and then we've moved and upgraded to the V2, where we're permanently going to be for KindCat staking. Now, the staking is not compulsory, but for the purpose of this teaching, we'll focus on how to buy and sell your kind or your hog tokens on the platform. Now you can use any decentralized wallet to trade any of the tokens. All you need to do is to use the official CA. That's a token has the same logo with ours, doesn't make it the genuine one. Anybody can go and create it based on the popularity of the coin, and then they will want to take advantage of it. So, but that's not the case. Now, currently, all you need to do is to set up a wallet. You come to Play Store or Apple Store, type for BitGet wallet. Make sure it is BitGet wallet. And this is how it looks like. As you can see, BitGet wallet, crypto Bitcoin. This is how it looks like for those using Android phones, right? Now, open it. It's going to open. Now, this is my wallet. Let me show you the wallet properly. I clicked on wallet. As you can see, I have BNB worth approximately $200, 0.22 BNB. I have Hog version 2, just 322 pieces, being $1.44. And what again? I have zero kind. So I want to buy kind right now. So what do? I will go to the Discover app. Discover is where you can actually, open any decentralized website. So PancakeSwap is where kind is listed on, which can be accessed through different aggregators. So we on the KindCat token, we've built our aggregator that links directly to PancakeSwap. So instead of you to start looking for PancakeSwap, learning how to use PancakeSwap alone, you can just use our KindWealth engine and just trade your kind without looking for the contract address. So all you need to do is, if you're hearing this tutorial and you get to this point, pause, ask on our group, please, I want the KindWealth engine site, and then they will drop it for you, or will drop it. Possibly at the comment section, you would find the link there. So I click on the enter that name or link. I'll just paste the link here, being kindwealthengine.xyz, and then I would search. I confirm. As you're seeing everything I'm doing, right? So it's loading currently. Now, a pop-up comes to switch network because maybe the network is on Ethereum or some other chain. So I will click on the Binance Smart Chain and I will connect my wallet. Now look at this top right corner here that has the character OX9F and then final words are 366B. It shows that my wallet is connected. I will disconnect it again and show you. Always connect your wallet. It's very important. So this is disconnect. I've disconnected the wallet. So when I look at this thing, I will not be able to see my balance. When I click maximum, okay, it's still having the cache of, let me just clear the cache, clear cache. So I've cleared the cache. Let's look at it. It has loaded again. I want to just show you something. Can you see that everything is showing zero? Does it mean I have zero BNB? No. So all I need to do is when you join this platform, connect your wallet. It asks you where to connect. You click on connect wallet, you click on BitGet wallet. That is if you're using BitGet wallet. If you're using Trust wallet, you will see Trust wallet there. Let's click Binance Smart Chain, and now I've connected my wallet. So remember, this tutorial is for the purpose of those using BitGet wallet, but you can also use Trust wallet. Any other wallet can be used as long as it has a decentralized browser. So now we're here. I have zero kind. I can't stake. So I want to buy kind. I have 0.22 BNB. So I want to buy 0.1 BNB now. 0.1 BNB is what I want to buy. As you can see, it shows me that 0.1 BNB is $87. So it's going to give me a total of 134,000 kind, right? And I've clicked on it. You can choose to buy 0.2. It will give me 266,000, but I will just buy 0.1 for the purpose of this tutorial. and this is kind. So BNB, I'm swapping from BNB to kind. So these are for this pattern now is, if you're having difficulties trading on Bitcoin, instead of complaining, just come here and do it seamlessly, very fast. So this is BNB to kind. So as you can see, this is kind. There are options here. You have kind or hog. So right now I want to buy kind, right? I want to buy kind. So I'm focused on kind. I'll just click on the swap here. No long settings. It brings out a signature request, meaning nobody can access this apart from you. So it shows that I'm converting my zero point 0.1 BNB to get 127,000 kind. As you can see, all I need to do is to click on the confirm, approve, and wait. Remember that my kind here was 0. Now receive successful. You would see that it's going to update here now. Can you see swap is successful? So now, can you see that I now have 127,000 kind showing in my balance? And of course, I can come and stake. Now, most people make a mistake because automatically the button is showing foundation. They just go there and stake on foundation. Foundation are for those that have a minimum of 5,000 kind, and that's just 10% monthly. This is for those that are staking. I've successfully bought. I think let me leave the platform and show you my wallet so that you can see that I've bought. So click on wallet. Can you see that I now have kind? Remember, I didn't have kind before, but now I have kind. So can you see? So we'll go back to the Discover app. I'll paste that link again. Kind Wealth Engine. So my wallet is connected. I must always make sure my wallet is connected at the top right corner. I want to stake 100 the 100 127,000 kind. Now I will type it here 127,000. And if you click maximum, you can actually stake everything. So you click on maximum. Always delete the decimal because you will not, your staking will keep failing because of the decimal. So always delete the decimal. Now I'm not going to make the mistake of going to stake 127,000 to be getting 10% monthly. The framing package has 100,000 kind. That's why you must read every detail. The staking package has framing package rather, and that's 15% monthly. While the roofing is 1 million kind. Now 1 million kind will give you 20% monthly, which is much more income. But the framing will give me 15%. It's much more better than the 10% monthly. After all, it's better than what my bank gives to me. The other day my bank gave me 7 naira for saving with them. 7 naira. I just looked at them and smiled. What will I do with 7 naira? Nobody even has 7 naira, 5 naira note anymore. So I'll click on the framing. Very simple. Click on stake now. It will pop up showing that, okay, this guy, I'm the only one that have control. Nobody can access this. So it shows the token contract, sending address, project contract. So I just authorize. I authorize again. Then I wait for the final pop-up or the final message to show that it has staked successful. So now this is the final signature request, appending my digital signature, showing that I'm the only one in control of this wallet, and kind card token team cannot access my kind. It's in my wallet, locked in the blockchain through the smart contract. So I'll confirm, authorize, and I'm good to go. So now stake successful. Can you see it? The coin is going to disappear. Look at it, stake successful. The coin is going to disappear from my balance. Now it's showing 0 because I've staked it. I did not stake the decimal. And I will just go to my history. Can you see? Just scroll to the end. This is the end, staking history. So I just staked 127,000. That was the latest one, the last one here, showing 114,000. There's actually a 10% staking fee, a 10% staking fee when you are staking. So that is to help the project. Half of those tokens that is taken will be burnt immediately, while the other half will be used for buybacks, marketing, and development of the staking platform. So that's what it is. So this is my final balance here, the last one. Now, how do you claim? This is another question people have been asking. How do you claim? So look at my older packages. Now, you can only claim once in 24 hours. So I have different packages here, right? all I need to do is I scroll to the left, it will show me claim and on stake. So I'm going to click on claim. I'm not on staking because I'm going to lose 15% of my income, I mean of my capital. So I'm just going to focus on claiming. So I'll click on claim. It's processing. So I'm waiting for it to claim. Remember, I had only 300 hog. So now look at what I will be getting. Click on confirm, and boom, it's going to claim successful. Once it says claim successful, that means the money, look at it, successful. So you must make sure you add the contract address to your wallet so that you can find it. In this case, I already added the hog version 2. So now, remember I had 300 and something hog. Now, the 400 I claimed has been added to my wallet. So I now have 732 hog version 2. So this is all you need to know right now about how to buy and sell. And of course, the way you bought is the way you can sell. Let me go back there. Sorry for taking you back and forth. I'm just doing this to ensure that the video is well explained. So now if you look at this, the same way you change from BNB to Kind, you can also change this BNB here to Kind and swap your Kind. If you have Kind, you can swap it for BNB. Then this hog version 2, I want to change my hog to BNB. Look at it. So I've changed the hog. This is BNB. So I'll just click on maximum. It shows me what I have as hog. I just click on swap, $3. And it's going to give me, it's going to convert my hog immediately to BNB. So this is an easy way to trade. You just authorize it. This is an easy way to trade without stress. We've made it easy so that there will be no complaint, because most of the problems you're facing is a UI problem from the developers. So we don't own BitGet Wallet, neither do we have close partnership with them and all that. Okay, in this case, it didn't work. Let me just change it to Kind for, I don't know why it failed. Okay, I can't really tell. I think I may need to refresh. But that's the same way you can actually change things. And of course, you can also swap directly on BitGet Wallet. Let's see if I can try that one here. So this is my hog version 2. I want to trade it for BNB or Kind. Okay, so BNB maximum. So trade, confirm. Very simple. As you can see, it is successful. So I've converted my hog to BNB. So it is what it is. And once again, thanks for connecting and do have a great day.